The Meat Show is coming to you from Linden, New Jersey. We're standing in front of the White Rose Diner, one of my favorite places on earth. We're gonna go back in time and taste history. Come on in. The first hamburger was a slider. It's very much getting back to the origins of hamburgers, right? White Castle, and that's really who made the modern hamburger, started serving these little pucks on a specific bun.
We're in an industrial area. The workers wanted cheap food, but they also wanted good food. They wanted something that would sustain them for the day. The idea of the slider, the burgers cook up quickly on the grill.
You're still serving fresh beef cooked in the time-honored smash slider tradition.
Bread delivered every day, fresh meat every day.
Right.
The true essence of it is the fresh meat smashed on the grill. That makes it a true slider.
This is the soul of American dining right here. If places like this disappear and all we have is fast food, then we sort of really lost the roots of where we come from.
No one's opening up these places anymore. The ones that still exist, they're closing up, they're being knocked down. The younger generation just doesn't want to do it. It's not easy work.
Maybe I should just retire and buy this place and like...
We could do that tomorrow.
To me, this is the prototypical, quintessential best slider out there. Like, to me, this is like coming home. It's just a simple smash, right?
A simple smash. The grill's nice and hot. You can see you can hear the sizzle. You can see the smoking right from the start. A dab of onions on each one, and then we smash it again. It just marries the onions.
Just to get the onions.
Marries the onions to the meat. I could probably make them blindfolded. They're just about ready to be flipped now. We put the bottoms on top on the cheese with the tops on top.
Got you.
You can see the steam wafting up from the grill. It's also steaming the bun.
So then it's a scoop and a flip almost.
That's the way we serve it, right on the plate, right at the counter.
That looks amazing. Look at that. Well, here we are back to the origins of the great American sandwich, the hamburger. This is what the first hamburgers look like. I mean, really, I love this because it's just 4 simple ingredients: onions, cheese, squishy bun, and 100% USDA beef. I like pickles, but I'm gonna go Commander style first. It just takes me back to the first time I came in here. Like, it tastes exactly the same. So it's quite a savory hamburger because of the onions, because of the smash technique. You get a really nice crust on it, so you get those roasty, dark Maillard flavors. The bun, I'm just in love with generic white squishy buns. I mean, why does a cheeseburger need to be anything more than this? It doesn't. So to me, the slider is a perfect food object. You're not wanting to be anything other than what it is. It's absolutely perfect. It's everything you need in the moment. At the same time, this speaks to me on a human, profoundly deep level. Like, I eat this and I feel that I'm connecting with people that sat on these stools 50 years ago. Rich, thank you so much. Always a pleasure. I'm Nick Solaris, host of The Meat Show. See you on the next episode, which you can watch by clicking here now. If you've watched The Meat Show before, you're probably sick of me talking about how wonderful I find the cap of the rib steak, which is spinatus dorsi muscle. But for the new guys, that's my...